In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Expedia trip to your calendar. If you want to keep your travel plans organized and easy to find, adding your reservation to your calendar is a simple and helpful step. It can make it easier to remember important dates, check your itinerary quickly, and keep all of your travel details in one convenient place. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and go to Expedia. From there, log into your Expedia profile account page. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you've booked multiple trips under different profiles in the past. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your account details and reservations appear properly. After you're logged in, look for the Trips section, which may also be labeled My Itineraries depending on the version of the site you see. Click on that area to open your travel reservations. This section is where Expedia keeps your active bookings, so you'll be able to review your upcoming plans in one place. If you have more than one reservation, take a moment to find the specific trip you want to work with before moving on. When you open the correct trip, look near the trip overview summary. In that area, you should see an option labeled Add to Calendar. This is the button you'll use to place the reservation details into your personal calendar. Click that option to continue. Once selected, Expedia will begin the process of sending your trip information to your calendar so you can keep track of key travel dates more easily. This is especially useful for flights, hotel stays, and other time-sensitive reservations because it helps reduce the chance of overlooking an important part of your trip. As a general tip, after using the Add to Calendar option, it's a good idea to double-check your calendar entry to make sure the dates and times appear the way you expect. That can be especially helpful if you're traveling across time zones or managing a busy schedule. And that's it. By logging into your Expedia account in Chrome, opening Trips or My Itineraries, and clicking Add to Calendar near your trip summary, you can quickly keep your travel plans organized and easier to manage.